Hello and welcome to this video on Maslow's pyramid gamification in games. In this video, we'll be exploring how game developers can create more engaging and rewarding gaming experiences by addressing basic human needs through game design principles. Maslow's pyramid is a psychological theory that outlines the basic needs of humans. These needs include physiological needs, safety needs, love and belonging needs, esteem needs, and self-actualization needs. In the context of computer games, these needs can be addressed through game mechanics and design principles. For example, in survival games, players must address their physiological needs by collecting food and water to stay alive. Safety needs can be addressed in a variety of ways, such as providing players with a safe zone or base, or giving players protective equipment to defend against danger. By addressing safety needs in game design, developers can help players feel secure and stable within the game world, which can lead to a more satisfying and immersive gaming experience. In multiplayer games, players can address their love and belonging needs by working together and forming social connections with other players. In many games, players can address their esteem needs by achieving goals, mastering difficult skills, or earning a high rank or status in the game. For example, players can earn rewards such as new skins or emotes for achieving milestones like winning a certain number of matches or reaching a high rank in the game's competitive mode. In sandbox games like Minecraft, players can address their self-actualization needs by creating their own structures, artwork, and custom game modes using the game's building tools and mods. Finally, many games provide opportunities for players to develop and showcase their skills, which can address their self-actualization needs by providing a sense of personal growth and fulfillment. By addressing these basic human needs through game design, game developers can create more engaging and rewarding gaming experiences for players. From survival mechanics to collaborative play, competitive rankings, creative expression, and skill-based progression, games can address a wide range of human needs and provide a sense of fulfillment and satisfaction for players. So there you have it, Maslow's pyramid gamification in games. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on our latest videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.